Bumalik na siya. Bumalik na siya sa aking uluhan. Siya, guys. Aray. Ang isa dumaan sa ano ko. May ka naihi pa naman ako. Dadagan na yung puson ko. Diyos ko po. Tingnan mo to. Oh, sweet naman. Itong sweet. Naano lang ako kasi yung tenga niya, guys. Kasi yung tenga niya nagbengkong. Kasi hindi nalagaan ni mommy eh. Sorry, my baby. You know mommy love you so much, no? No? Do you know that? No? You know the mommy love you. Ito naman, makikisaw-saw na naman tong isa. Si Celos. Ah. You guys gonna fight. Ay. Nag-aawa yan eh, kasi. Ayan sila. Ito yung little angel namin. Wala siya. Ito. Ito yung sweet. Sweetie pie. Lalaki to, guys. Lalaki. This is a male. This is a female. This is also male. This is also male. Oh my God. Tumatay yung buntot. Bakit tumatay yung buntot? Bakit tumatay yung poet? Bakit? Oh, bakit? Matayo ang buntot. Ano yan, guys? Siya. Sweet yan siya, guys. O, tinan mo. Gusto niya lagi naka-ano yan. Kumisan dito yung sa dibdib ko nag-ano. Kahit ang bigat-bigat kaya nito. Siguro there are siguro mga 15 pound ito. Are you 15 pound? Or 20? Because daddy is 10 pound. She's so skinny. Where's daddy? Daddy, where are you? And this one is so fat. So this may be like 18 pound. This is heavier. Like probably 20. This is a little bit smaller. Probably like 14, 13, 15 pound. Kaya mo lang, anong laki niyan? Ang laki nito, guys. Malaki to. Ayan. Ayan ang aking mga... Gusto kasi nila, kiss mommy. Give me a kiss. Where are you going? Ayan, umalis na naman. Ayaw kasi nila sa ano. Ayan mo isang tababoy ko naman. Ayan, no? Nandito lahat sila sa akin. Today is baby's day. Yan. Daddy, you can do it, Daddy. Yan sila. Guys, hopefully guys, you enjoy watching Mommy's videos, guys. Yan. Sweet, darling. Sweet. Naghilata pa talaga siya sa aking ano. Diba? Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ganyan yan. Ayan sila. Ang mami nila, guys, napulot ko lang yan sa tabi-tabi ang mami nila. And then, yung daddy nila is nasa amin na talaga. But I pick her up the mom in the street. Now, after I pick her up, she get bigger and I bring it here in the United States. And then the mom and dad make love. They got son and daughter. And there you go. We're here. No, diba? Ayun na sila, guys. Yan. Walang pa sila ng dalawa. Ng tatlo. Well, actually, he has 5 kids with 2 girls and 5 kids, yeah? No. You have 5 kids. Yeah, you got 5 kids and 2 girl and what? And 3 boys. Yeah, this is boys. This one. Yeah, and eat it. Say hi. Do you love mommy? Huh? Baby Rhea, do you love mommy? Do you love mommy? Sweetie pie. Answer it. Do you love mommy? Hey, do you love mommy? Meow. Do you love mommy? Answer, mommy, please. Do you love mommy? Huh? Your father know how to answer me? Do you love mommy? Do you love me? Do you love me? Because I love you. I love you all. Mommy love you all. Talaga nakatingla. Parang so sad tong son ko. Hey guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you. What? Banding namin ngayon guys. May kwarto silang kanila pero kaya lang gusto kasi nilang matulog dito sa akin sa kwarto ko. Dito sa kama. Gusto nilang mag-ano dito. Ayan na si Daddy. Akyat na si Daddy. Come on Daddy. Ayan si Daddy. Akyat na si Daddy. Come on Daddy. Papatong yan sa katawan ni Smokey. Tingnan natin. Dadaan na dyan si Smokey. Wait natin. Come on. Come on Daddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Oh my God. I'm getting tired. Ayaw niya. Doon na lang daw siya sa corner. Doon na lang daw siya sa corner. Hi guys. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Thank you.